Minister within the Ministry of Indigenous Peoples Affairs, the Honorable Valerie Garrido-LOWE, believes that the indigenous fashion industry could be big business in Guyana. She expressed this sentiment as she opened earlier today the first of its kind, a 3-day workshop for Indigenous Fashion Designers. The workshop is being conducted under the purview of the National Two-Shelves Council, NTC, with support from the Canadian High Commission. The training will be facilitated by Angela de Montagny, and participants drawn from the 10 administrative regions will be engaged in training that will help them better their skills and maximize their potential in the field. Minister Garrido-LOWE noted that there is a lot of scope for local Indigenous designers and urged the designers to pay attention to neatness and the sizes of clothing they produce.
Fashion is something that humans are, natural to human beings. And as we progress, as we come into the modern world, then we change our fashion. We look at environment, we look at weather, and all these things.
The minister said while Guyanese are prone to using Western fashion, the development of an indigenous fashion industry can be big business in Guyana.
My dream and my wish is to see the indigenous fashion design grow so huge that we will be modeling our people and our designs. Our people will be modeling our designs, your designs, internationally. That's the aim. That's where you should aim. Internationally. Don't stop here.
She mentioned too the opportunities that can derive from the number of visitors that will come to Guyana because of the oil and gas industry, noting that the local designers can produce for the visitors. Meanwhile, Canadian High Commissioner to Guyana, Her Excellency LILIAN CHATERJEE, in her remarks noted that the workshop offers a unique opportunity for the two countries to share and honor the unique heritage of the indigenous peoples through fashion.
This workshop is very timely as it provides an opportunity to help you to build your fashion talent and entrepreneurial capacities so that you are better equipped to tap into the wider fashion market. It also serves as an opportunity for you to strengthen your communities, especially since Guyana was awarded the top spot as #1 ecotourism destination in the world.
Tushao Mario Hastings, representing the NTC, said the council is grateful for the support received and urged the participants to make full use of the opportunity to improve their products.